Wait, this is on, isn't it? Okay. Aishwarya's it's ready. Aditya, Satyan, assignment and record of activities, everything is ready. Aditya?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
Aditya.
how I will submit?
You asked Joshi sir. Okay.
For small reason, I cannot come to Kerala.
That you okay? That one and all you inform, pack it and keep it ready. Okay. Follow the instructions given by the sir. Pack it tight and keep it ready for submission.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, hope children we can start. Okay, we are doing problems from mensuration, finding the area, volume, and all. Okay. Now let's do the next one. Write the next question. Write the question. Marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter. Marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into cylindrical beaker. Of diameter 7 centimeter. Containing some water.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
Marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeter. Is it okay, Anila?
Yes, ma'am.
Of diameter 7 centimeter containing some water. 1 second, children. Okay, children, I think we can continue. So, marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeter containing some water. Find the number of marbles. That should be dropped. Find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker. So that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeter. So that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeter. Okay, so look at the question. Marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter are dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeter containing some water. Find the number of marbles that should be dropped into the beaker so that the water level rises by 5.6 centimeter. Okay, so just given us marbles. Marbles means it is in the shape of sphere. Marbles of diameter 1.4 centimeter. So radius is 1.4 by 2, which is 0.7 centimeter. It's dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter. So one beaker is there. Beaker we are taking in the shape of cylinder. The cylindrical beaker. It is dropped into a cylindrical beaker of diameter 7 centimeter. So diameter is 7 centimeter. So what is the radius? It is 7 by 2 centimeter. Find the number of marbles dropped into the beaker. We want to find out. So initially it is filled with some water. Marbles is dropped into a cylindrical beaker containing some water. So you are dropping some marbles inside. So when you drop the marbles, water level is rising. We want to find the height of the water level. So how you do this? So yes, children, volume of the water level rising is equal to, okay, volume of the water level is equal to volume of the marbles you have dropped in. Volume of the marbles dropped in. How many marbles you have dropped? You don't know, isn't it? So it is n into volume of one marble you can drop. We don't know how many marbles we are dropping. You take, let n be the number of marbles. So volume of the water level rising will be same as volume of the cylinder. Not the whole cylinder, that the rising part. Okay. How much part it is rising is equal to n into volume of this marble, means it is in the shape of sphere. So now equate it. What is the formula for volume of cylinder? Pi r square h is equal to n into volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 7 by 2 the whole cube. So both the sides we can cancel pi. Then substitute for r, capital R is 7 by 2, isn't it? Sorry, here it is 0.7. Okay, here it is 0.7 the cube. From here, water level rises by, here what is the water level rising? It is given as 5.6 centimeter. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 5.6 is equal to n into 4 by 3 into 0.7 the whole cube. Now substitute the values and find out the value of n. Find the number of marbles. Cancel all the values and find out what is the value of n. You find out what is the number of marbles. Calculate and tell me what is the number of marbles.
$300.
N is 300. Now check it again.
$150.10.
150.10.
Yes.
Check it Check it again. Is it 150? Is it 150?
One 152.44.
152.44.
Ma'am, I got 150.
150 you should get. Check your answers, children. Check it again.
Yes, ma'am. 150.
Should get the answer as 150. What about the others? Are you getting this answer 150? Next one. Next question. From a circular cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter, from a circular cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter, from the circular cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter, from a circular cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter, a conical cavity, height 12 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same base radius, the conical cavity of the same base radius and of the same height, of the same base radius and of the same height is hollowed out, is hollowed out. Find the volume and the whole surface area of the remaining solids. Find the volume and the whole surface area of the remaining solids. From a circular cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter, a conical cavity of base radius and the same height is hollowed out. Find the volume and the whole surface of the remaining solids. Find the volume and the whole surface of the remaining solids. So look at here, from a cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter. So from a cylinder of diameter 10 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Height is given as 12 centimeter and this is 10 centimeter. A conical cavity is removed. A conical cavity of the same base radius and the same height is hollowed out. Find the volume and the surface area of the remaining solids. So two things are given there. On a cylinder Other one is cone. Cone, the radius is given as. What's the radius given there for the cone? What will be the radius of the cylinder and what's the radius?
5.
5 centimeter. Okay, because it's given as 10 centimeter. Total diameter is 10, so radius will be 5 centimeter. And what about the height? Height of the cylinder is 12 centimeter. Here also the height of the cylinder is 12 centimeter. And what about the slant height of the cone? What is the formula for to find the slant height of the cone? L is equal to root of r square plus h square. L is equal to root of r square plus h square. So it is 5 square plus 12 square. Then simplify and find out what is the value of L.
13.
L is 13 centimeter. So now what is asked? Find the surface, find the volume. How will you find the volume of the remaining solid?
Area of cylinder minus area of cone.
Volume, okay? Area of the, sorry, not area, volume of the remaining solid will be same as volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. Volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. What's the formula for volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h minus volume of the cone, it is 1/3 pi r square h. Now substitute the value, simplify and find out the answer.
628.57 centimeter cube.
628 centimeter cube. Okay, good, Aishwarya.
628.57.
628.57. It's 28.57 centimeter cube. Okay, if you want, we can round it off. If sometimes they will ask, round off to the nearest number means we can round off and we can write 629. Okay, so here it is 628.57 centimeter cube. Yes. So, are you getting this answer, Aparna? Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Once the volume is over, what is the next part asked here? Find the surface area of the remaining solids. Find the surface area of the remaining solids. So it will be the surface area of the remaining solid here. Look at here, if you look at the solid shape, okay, this part is removed, isn't it? This part is removed. So what else is there? It is the, you have one base area of the circle, isn't it? Base area will be there. Then CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the cone. Base area plus CSA of the cylinder plus CSA of the cone. So area, surface area of the remaining solid is equal to, surface area of the remaining solid is equal to base area plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. Plus CSA of a cone. So what's the formula for base area? What's the formula for base area? Base area is pi r square. Plus CSA of a cylinder means it is 2 pi RH. Plus CSA of a cone, it is pi RL. So apply the values. R is given, L we calculated, height of the cone, with cylinder and all is given. Substitute this and find the answer.
Is it 660 centimeter square?
650 centimeters square. Correct. It is 660 centimeters square. Are you getting this answer, children? Okay. Okay, children, you finished? You all finished that one? Annette? Tomlin?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write the next question. The next one. The volume of a conical tent is, the volume of a conical tent is 1232 meter cube. The volume of a conical tent is 1232 meter cube. And the area of the base floor is, and the area of the base floor is 154 meters square. And the area of the base floor is 154 meters square. And the area of the base floor is 154 meters square. Calculate the first one, radius of the floor. Second one, height of. Okay, so with this we end the session. Our mensuration topic is over. Okay, the next session we'll be discussing some basic concepts of statistics. Okay, so mensuration, is it clear? What you have learned in our lower classes, similar model only we are doing now. Okay. Okay, children. This I end the session. Thank you.